2024 Nissan Rogue Key Fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Go and turn it over. You have a sliding switch right here. We're going to go ahead and slide it to the right. Hold it down with your thumb. This removes the door key. That's going to give us access to these little bitty indentions right here that are on the key fob. So get yourself a flathead screwdriver, put them in right here. So I have it right where the silver is at. Give it a twist. It opens it up right here. Give it a twist. It opens up right here. That's so you don't see any damaging marks on the remote. You kind of hide any damage by the key, okay? You can go ahead and pry it open. Be careful, everything might kind of come out. I'm gonna put this back kind of where it was. We don't need this anymore. Looking at the back piece. Okay, so the back piece, there's a slot here. Pop the battery out. Get a new battery. Battery size is a CR2032 battery. Has a positive sign right here. It's facing down when we put it back. And we need to put it against this contact here. Not on top of it, but against the side of it, like that. It should drop it nice and flat. If you need a battery, check the description box and the comment box. There's a link to Amazon where you get yourself a brand new battery that's the correct size for this remote. We just get the back half and we just line it up the best we can. Start at the top, work our way back, down, lock it all in. Looks good. Door key should go back in and lock. If it does, we're all done. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, leaving a like, and if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video.